Hey guys, today reviewing Heagy-Burry Boat Ramp at Orange Lake, Florida. If you're wanting to find big bass, this is the lake for you. 30+ pound bags are not uncommon here. Heagy-Burry is a single lane steep ramp with a small dock with no walkway, so to use it you just have to walk the seawall or along the grass. There is a low bank by the dock if you prefer beaching instead of docking. I have not found anything that may cause damage in this area to your craft. There are also two platforms that seem well maintained for shore fishing access if you do not have a vessel. The parking lot is dirt with some small ruts here and there, while the road to and from the ramp is paved. The lot looks to be able to hold over 20 vehicles and trailers without issue. Overall, the parking area is good enough, but without set parking spaces, the first few boaters to the ramp set how well the space is utilized that day, which can range from good to poor depending on the skill of the driver and the condition of the lot on that particular day. A more muddy, rainy day can easily turn parking into a hassle with the ruts filling and flooding over. There is also a small picnic area under the large oak in the back of the parking lot area. As for facilities, there's a porta potty on site in the parking lot area, but no actual fixed facilities. Next to the park, there's a restaurant called Eagle's Nest Bar and Grill. We have visited the restaurant twice. Both times the food has been great and well priced, and the service was just as good, along with a nice overview of the ramp and lake. If you've enjoyed the information and would like to see more, be sure to like and follow. Thanks!